Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2006 BMW K1200LT. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This trike has 33,237 miles and passes New York State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 3/30 seconds, and the rear tires at 5 and 3/30 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scratch on the front fender, paint chips near the ignition, and holes drilled on both sides of the lower fairing. There's also a blemish in the finish on the right side of the chrome trim, scratches and chips in the paint on the left side of the rear fender, paint chips on the running boards, and paint chips on the tail section above the taillight. This trike has an owner's manual and 2 keys. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and an electronic windshield. It's been upgraded with a Z-Technic V-Stream windshield, aftermarket rear wheels, an aftermarket trike kit, and grips. This trike has a reconstructed title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.